Hello friends, this is Tanu and today I'm going to talk about English language. Um, I think you must know I am from Bihar and you also know how difficult to speak English in Bihar. Because in Bihar no one wants to study English, no one cares about their English because in Bihar there are so many students, but according to them, study means math, science, and those subjects which is so much difficult. I don't want to say that they don't do hard work for their study. They do hard work for their study, but after study they don't get a good job. I don't know why, but most of the people of Bihar, they after their study, if they go for any job, so they work like a labor and they they get a job on a small post in any factory. So I want to ask a question from everyone. If we do hard work for our study, so why we can't get a good job? Why we can't get a job in a big company? I think I should come to my point. So I was talking about English language. You know how English is how much English is powerful. If we know how to speak in English, so we can go anywhere in this world. We can go in any country because English is one of the languages by which we can go anywhere in any country and we can live. We can live there. You know why? And we can get job in any company. It doesn't matter that. Which company is so much big, so we can't get job. We can get job in this company easily. You know why? Because any company looks for that person who can explain their points to anyone easily. And you can explain to anyone your points easily with the help of English language, because one of the language by which you can explain to anyone, and that language is English. You know why? Because most of the persons are come from another states and they don't know how to speak in Hindi and how to speak in Bhojpuri. So if we know how to speak in English, so we can explain to anyone easily. So English is so much powerful language. And if I talk about my Bihar and especially my area, so here is so many students who want to speak English, but they think that we can't speak English. It's quite difficult language, and it's some students like them when like this whenever anyone is speaking English, so at a time that they think that he has magic. So I want to ask a question: why you don't have magic? You can also do the magic. You can also speak English. You know how? If you are crazy for English, then your craziness will do the magic for you. If you want to speak English, then you should try. No one tried. They don't try to speak in English, but they think that it's quite difficult language, we can't speak. So I want to say that never give up before try. You should try. After that you decided that you can speak or not. If you are crazy for English, then your craziness will do the magic for you and you can also speak English. So I want to say that you should never give up before trying. You should try and you should never give up. So in last I want to say that I know I made so many mistakes in this video because now I still learning. So thank you for watching me.